All right, Under the Wings 82. I'm artifying this plain brown wood frame here with some pieces of molding. Let's see. That's going to go there. It's August 16th, Sunday. That's going to go on the bottom. And I may have this gray piece up there, like right above the large allegorical sea monster. All right. There's Under the Wings 80 here. American GI murdered by a guard at a Nazi concentration camp where there were Allied POWs. And I artified the frame with 2 pieces of detritus, an old friend would call it, pieces of junk wood I found on the sidewalk or pavement. Getting some reflection on the plexi, but don't worry about it. All right. Okay, let's go say hi to the blades. Prime Minister Mosley, you want to say hi? Bak, bak, bak. How about you, Dr. Shi? Your curatorship. Sun's going to come out probably within an hour. That's right. Prime Minister, how are we doing? Ma shlamcha. That's Hebrew. How are you? You guys are quiet. Well, I can tell my YouTube viewers and Facebook friends they can do their own whistling. I've lost my whistle today. Okay, there we go. Thank you. You're great studio assistants. Very foul. There we go. Chortling. Yeah, beautiful singing, Dr. G. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah. All right. Okay, there we have it.